how to add another account on WhatsApp and Android. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can add another WhatsApp account in Android. Well, the process itself is pretty simple. After the latest update, you can simply open up WhatsApp. Once you open up WhatsApp, what you want to do is you want to tap on the three dots option at the top right corner of your screen and then tap on settings. Once you tap on settings, you want to head over to the account option at the very first and then tap on the add account option. Once you tap on add account, it'll ask you to add account again. Tap on add account at the bottom and then it'll ask you to agree and continue. Once you tap on it, you want to go ahead and enter in your phone number, enter in country code and get the login code and log in to your other account like you're logging in to on WhatsApp. Now, once you have logged into two different accounts, what you can do in order to switch account, at the home page of WhatsApp, you're going to tap on the three dots at the top right corner, and then below settings, you'll find the option that says switch account. You can use it to switch your account. So this is the way that you can easily add another account on WhatsApp and switch in between them. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.